We have been waiting.
To create your ideal escape.
And your home away from home.
To take care of every detail.
To create our next culinary masterpiece.
To pour your favorite cocktail.
To share something sweet.
And brighten each afternoon with the perfect pick-me-up.
To entertain you.
And to make you laugh.
To rejuvenate your body.
And enrich your mind.
To sail you safely to exotic destinations.
We have been waiting to welcome you on board.
And return you home with unforgettable memories from an unrivaled experience. We are waiting for you.